that you as well? No. Yeah, it is. Come here, Jordan. Right, I just need to, get my mom a necklace for her birthday from the jewelry shop. And then, so I'll just go and buy it. Whoa! Look at all the gold there! Come on, let's steal it. Come on. Hey, you! Stop! Ah! It was quite a run, but in the end I got those three little rascals and brought them here to the jail. It's one of the best high security jails in the whole country. So those three people are going to be spending 5 years in this for trying to steal some gold. Oh! It's so boring here, this stupid jail! It's your fault! It's your fault! You tried to steal it! How do you? No? Oh, yeah! Crow! It's a crow! It's not... I'll give you a... Give me the key! Go! Come on! Yes! I got the key! Ah! Yes! No! I got it! Hang on! Yeah! Go! Oh, well, those three kids! Boss is gonna kill me! Stupid people getting out of jail! Gonna kill that crow when I get back! I knew he was nothing but trouble! Right, I better look for him, otherwise I'm in the chipper! Where are they? Get it, boss! Get it! Pile driver! Ouch! Hang on! That was the wrong way round! Boys? Oh no! Oh, that was so close! That was so close! Hang on! What is that? Oh, yeah. My mom, found out I was in jail, so, she said that I have to be back by 6 every day. So she gave me this watch. This one, here. It looks like a clock. It's a watch, thank you very much. She gave me this watch so I can be back in time every day. It's a funny-looking watch. Shut up, you've got funny-looking eyes. Right, come on, the bus is here now. Come on, let's get on the bus. That's better. Wait! Stop! Oh, damn it! I missed him again! The boss is gonna